Chickens, often relegated to farmyard anonymity, possess a secret world of intricate social interactions. These seemingly simple creatures are far more than just providers of eggs and meat. They have a rich, hidden life that many of us overlook. These feathered creatures are far more complex than their clucking and scratching might suggest. Each chicken has its own role within the flock, contributing to the overall harmony and balance of their community. Behind their beady eyes lies a surprising intelligence capable of recognizing faces, navigating complex social hierarchies, and even displaying empathy. Chickens can remember and recognize over 100 different individuals, both human and avian. Chickens are not simply mindless birds. They can solve problems, learn from each other, and even exhibit behaviors that suggest a form of emotional intelligence. They are individuals with distinct personalities and preferences. Some chickens are bold and adventurous, while others are shy and cautious. Each one brings something unique to the flock. Their social structures are complex and fascinating. The pecking order, for instance, is a well-established hierarchy that determines access to resources and mates. Observing a flock of chickens reveals a miniature society governed by rules and rituals that have evolved over millennia. These birds communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations and body language, creating a dynamic and ever-changing social landscape. One of the most remarkable aspects of chicken intelligence is their ability to recognize faces. They can distinguish between individual humans and even remember those who have treated them kindly or poorly. This facial recognition extends to their own kind. Chickens can recognize and remember up to 100 other chickens within their flock. They use this ability to navigate the complex social hierarchy known as the pecking order, which we will explore in the next section. The pecking order is a social hierarchy that exists within chicken flocks. It determines who gets first access to food, water, and the best nesting spots. This order is established through a series of subtle cues and interactions, often involving pecking. The dominant hen, usually the strongest or most assertive, sits atop the pecking order. Below her are the other hens, ranked in descending order of dominance. The pecking order, while seemingly harsh, actually serves to maintain order and reduce conflict within the flock. Section 4. Cluck, murmur, crow, the language of chickens. Chickens are fascinating creatures with a surprisingly intricate way of communicating. Chickens communicate with each other through a complex system of vocalizations. These sounds are not random. Each has a specific meaning and purpose. Each sound, from the gentle clucking of a mother hen, which reassures her chicks and keeps them close, to the alarm calls that warn of predators, conveys a specific message. These alarm calls can vary depending on the type of threat, whether it's from the sky or on the ground. Roosters are known for their loud crows, which are not just a morning wake-up call but also serve to announce their presence and territory to other roosters and potential threats. This crowing can be heard over long distances, ensuring that their message is received loud and clear. Hens use a variety of clucks, chirps, and purrs to communicate with their chicks, signal danger, or express contentment. These sounds help maintain the social structure within the flock. When a hen clucks loudly, it can signal danger, prompting the chicks to hide. Conversely, contented sounds while foraging indicate a peaceful and safe environment. Understanding these vocalizations provides a glimpse into the rich communication network that exists within chicken flocks. By paying attention to these sounds, we can better understand their needs and behaviors, fostering a more harmonious coexistence. Section 5. Bird brains. Think again. Chickens are often underestimated in terms of their intelligence. Many people think of them as simple creatures, but this couldn't be further from the truth. However, they possess remarkable problem-solving abilities and are capable of learning through observation. For instance, a chicken can watch another chicken solve a puzzle and then replicate the actions to achieve the same result. Studies have shown that chickens can solve puzzles, navigate mazes, and even learn to operate simple mechanisms. These tasks require a level of cognitive function that many people do not associate with birds. They learn from each other, observing and imitating the behavior of more experienced birds. This social learning is crucial for their development and survival. This ability to learn and adapt has contributed to their survival and success as a species. In the wild, these skills help them find food, avoid predators, and navigate their environment effectively. Chickens are far more intelligent than we often give them credit for, challenging our preconceived notions about avian intelligence. Next time you see a chicken, remember that there's more going on in that little head than you might think.